Today's question is, what should be the first tag in HTML? When we create an HTML document, we need to put the doc type or document type declaration on the first line like this. This is the document type declaration for HTML5 or any new version starting from HTML5, such as HTML 5.1, 5.2, and this will increase when the new version comes up. After that, HTML tag can be used as the first tag to create this root HTML element with an opening HTML tag and closing HTML tag in every HTML document. By saying root HTML element, it means every other HTML elements in this HTML document should be placed inside this HTML element. And there can be only one HTML element like this in one HTML document. Otherwise, the HTML document will be invalid. If you started learning HTML and you want to master when and how to use every different HTML tag, make sure you check out this playlist, and it has everything you need to master different HTML tags. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.